looking big. Apparently I am on Madison Reed subscribe and save. Got a couple gray hairs, more than a couple coming in here. I forgot that I was on subscribe and save. I have not colored my hair in forever. Now I have 2 boxes, so I figured I would color my hair tonight. Just see how it goes. I should probably just be doing a root touch up, but I think I'm gonna do mostly my roots and then pull the rest of the color down. We'll see how it goes. I have brushed out my hair. Looking big. Not gonna lie, I kind of like it. I'm supposed to separate your hair into 4 sections. Just gonna kind of go with it. I don't have any clips. Need to find some clips. I found 1 clip, 1 section here. Come on, I'm on the struggle bus. Barrier cream. Now we're gonna mix up the color. I'm using Tuscany Brown. I think I've got the whole thing in there. I'm gonna screw the cap back on and shake it up. Colors mixed. Now we apply the gloves. Okay. I'll start 1 section at a time, starting in the front. I think I'll start with the section that has the grays because it needs to stay on longer. The back of the head is the hardest part because you can't see back there. Hi, bud.
What are you doing?
I'm coloring my hair. What are you doing?
I'm just going downstairs. Bye.
Bye-bye. I'm totally winging this. Cap on. I have so much hair. Cap on. 35 minutes. I'm worried the color will look weird. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I ended up adding the rest. Well, actually I didn't use all of it. But I ended up adding the rest to the rest of my hair just because I was a little worried the color was gonna come out weird. I'm just gonna use the cleansing cloth honey that I got. And in about 10 minutes, I'm going to wash my hair. It comes with shampoo and conditioner, the kit. And fingers crossed it turns out okay. This is the finished result of using Madison Reed at-home hair color on my hair to cover my grays. It covered my gray hairs completely. I have a cluster coming in right here. Can't see them at all. I'm really happy with the results. I smoothed out my hair just to see how it looked. I had originally thought I was gonna film this just for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. It ended up being longer than I thought, so I'm sorry that the orientation is vertical, but I am posting this as a long format video just because it ended up being longer than I planned. This is not sponsored. I bought the product on my own. I have used Madison Reed in the past, as I mentioned. I'm 39 and I just recently started getting gray hairs just in the last couple of years. I used to color my hair because I thought my natural shade of brown was boring and I looked better with darker hair. I've done balayage in the past, I've done henna, and then of course when I started actually liking my natural hair color, that's when the grays started coming in. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I love the color. It's really rich, and because I know how Madison Reed color is on my hair, I know that it's going to fade really evenly and I'll be totally content with how it grows out. So if you're looking to start coloring your hair, if you want to save some money and do it on your own, if you have some grays that you want to touch up, I highly recommend Madison Reed if you're planning to do it at home. They make it really easy for you to do at home. There's also some Madison Reed hair salons in some areas. Unfortunately, there's none where I live. I hope you found this helpful or it encouraged you to give coloring your hair at home a try. Maybe one of these days I will film this with our real camera in the proper orientation for YouTube videos and make it a little more professional than what I did for this. This was just kind of like a vlog. I really decided to color my hair spur of the moment and it turned out really well. My only regret is that I waited so long to do it. As I mentioned, I apparently did subscribe and save because I had planned to color my hair and then I got lazy, and then I got a text from Madison Reed saying that my order was shipping and I thought it was like a spam, and I ignored it and I didn't check my account, and then it actually showed up and I was like, oh, I am on subscribe and save and I now have 2 boxes of this. So I just figured I would color my hair. So I literally went upstairs after dinner and just did it and decided to film it. I typically share makeup and skincare stuff on here, but sometimes some hair stuff. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from me. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll see you next time.